My name is Samuel Clements. I'm a delegate for Mobility Field Day 13. I work at WWT. You can find me on socials on Blue Sky at samuel.clements. Mobility Field Day so far has been a pretty great event. It can be a little harrowing sometimes getting through all of the content that we see from the presenters, but good Lord, it's the place to go see what's coming next in our industry. And it really is a great at-a-glance view of, the things we're going to expect to see in the coming 6 to 12 months, I think from all of the major players. The thing that sticks out in my mind right now is the presentation from yesterday from Celona about the Celona Edge product, where you can do CVR as private LTE without an extra appliance for handling data plane. So they're punting a lot of services up into the cloud. And it's those sort of things where it's just like some of those very, very common sense approaches to some of these technologies that I think are really going to help make things easier, or probably more accessible. I feel like, Celona's leading the way with some of those innovations on the LTE side of the house, on the CBRS side of the house. And then, I look at folks like Arista, who are taking, traditional Wi-Fi networking concepts such as controllers, and they're putting their own spin on, what that use case looks like. And so, those are sort of the things that I see stand out right now, especially on the Arista side of the house, where they've taken and seemingly just created and replicated controllers data plane functionality out of things they had laying around in a reasonably standard sort of way. That's really exciting stuff to see. In the coming months in the wireless and mobility space, I think it's really going to be about fleshing out Wi-Fi 7. I think there's going to be a lot of efforts on getting the last of the products out the door, whether those are hospitality products or outdoor products. And, the portfolios are coming and they're looking quite good now. But I think the easiest to give away from this entire event is over the coming 6 to probably 12 months or so. I think everybody everywhere is going to be fixated on making sure that their Wi-Fi 7 portfolios from a hardware perspective are as fleshed out as they need to be. I'm looking at a lot of folks who are still wondering why they're having Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E and now Wi-Fi 7. Why are we maintaining 3 generations of product portfolios? And I feel like what we're seeing here this week is sort of the beginning of the end of some of those other platforms, especially the Wi-Fi 6 platforms. We see a concerted effort on Wi-Fi 7. It's stabilizing. We have clients. We have software support. The features are online and they're working. And so I feel like there's a tremendous amount of momentum behind that. I feel like that's going to be one of the biggest, most practical shakeups out of the event.